Right, here's the problem. The first problem that I'm trying to fix here with this Civic is that this door key is stuck. So I'm thinking if I bought some like a WD-40, I'll spray a little bit. Let's see if it works. So it's stuck. This car has been stuck in the garage for 2 years before driving it out. So let's see. Okay, we'll spray some WD-40.
You're gonna clean it?
Lubricate it. It's more of a lubricated.
I know how it does. Can you see?
Okay, let's see if
Here's
the spray. That's your screw. I thought you're going to play. I mean, scoot.
I know, but I just wanna go there to take my hand.
We already sprayed some of the WD-40 here on the passenger side, and we'll just let it sit there for like 5 minutes, and let's try again later if it's fully lubricated. All right, so after like 15 or 20 minutes of being soaked with WD-40, I think it get fixed. We can now turn the key easily. See, it's good. And even if we lock it inside, so we try to lock it. Okay, so it's now locked. So it's now locked. We're going to close it. So it's now locked, and then we try to turn the key and open it. It's unlocked. So I think the WD-40 is very helpful. Anyway, all right, thank you for watching that time, and please give us some love and like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in our next video.